Hi, Brandy here with the RE/MAX steering team. Welcome to our brand new listing here in Rockford, part of Town Square community. So come on, take a look. So in here, we have a nice cozy living room with an electric fireplace. Wonderful lighting. Look at all of the windows that we have. Really nice, warm, neutral tones with the paint. And in here, this is great for entertaining. You can pull up some bar stools over here. Nice hard surfaces for your cooking needs, and nice stainless steel appliances. Come check all this cupboards out and all the wonderful lighting we have in here. We also have a nice little dining area for entertaining, or maybe have your coffee over there. And in here we have a nice little pantry, storing all your canned goods. And next we have a nice half bathroom, nice pedestal sink. All right, and on here we have our primary bedroom. Nice lighting, and also a nice walk-in closet over here. And over here we have a nice full bathroom. Nice countertop, a lot of shelves. And one of my favorites, this walk-in shower. Beautiful. So on next, we're going to go upstairs. And this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. And check out all this lighting up here. Wonderful windows, bringing in that nice warm lighting. Nice little area here. Could be a little nook. Could have a TV, maybe a little den area. And next up, a full bathroom. Nice vanity. All right, next we have our 2nd bedroom, which has a nice spacious closet, and also big windows for that nice light. And we have our 3rd bedroom, also has a nice big closet. All right, and I have to mention this is really cool. We have an on-demand water tank for your hot water, and also it has a humidifier on the furnace. Nice little features. Also over here, we have the laundry room, washer and dryer in one, a nice little storage area. And let's head outside. See what we can show you out here. Really nice fenced in area. Great for entertaining, great if you have dogs, children. And this will lead us over to our 3-car garage. All right, in here we have our 3-car garage. Nice for parking 2 cars, plus if you have any toys, maybe a motorcycle, a quad. And then up here, lots of storage space. So nice little ladder that you can pull down and store all your little totes up there. Well, that's our tour of our standalone newer build condo here in Rockford. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Wonderful neighborhood, and it's part of the Rockford community, just minutes from downtown. Come check it out. Lots of bike paths and skiing, so much to do here. Comment below on what your favorite part of the condo that you see.